Rebekah and welcome to the Carriage House, a little place to find cozy inspiration for your hearth and home. I'm in my winter kitchen this afternoon and getting things prepared for a cozy little date night at home with my husband. Our little farmhouse in the northern plains of Iowa is the place we truly love best. So I'm really glad you're here and have stopped by for a visit while I rekindle candles, my stove, and a little bit of romance. So now that I've cozied up the atmosphere a little, I'm now going to make these adorable little dark chocolate cakes and going to bake them in little ramekins, which are really meant for creme brulee, but you can use them for anything. And since we have 4 kids, 2 of them are older and they'll be playing video games tonight. But while I'm making the dessert and appetizer, my husband's going to care for Bohannon and Gunnar, our 2 and 5-year-old boys, in the basement, and we have toys and games they can play with down there. So that'll be nice. I can actually have some quiet time in the kitchen for a little while at least. And then we'll switch and he's going to make us dinner while I have book and bath time with the boys later. So wish me luck. Hopefully this will all go as planned because my husband and I could really use some relaxing time set aside for us. We've been married for a really long time and we really don't have a babysitter, so just some good quality time is very much needed. So I'm just now putting the dessert in the oven. The kids have had their dinner, and I just opened up our new sake set that I ordered for us. I thought we deserved something a little extra special for tonight, and I was so excited because it just arrived. I was worried it wasn't going to get in here in time, so that ended up working out nice. So I'm going to make a little appetizer now that consists of a creamy and buttery camembert cheese along with fresh blueberries and a rich and sweet sake. And this video is sponsored by Tipsy, a company that just reached out to me, and they couldn't have picked a better time to reach to us because I thought this would be perfect for tonight, great for a cozy date night at home. But the sake is amazing. Both me and my husband were very pleased. And I was so excited when I got this in the mail too. But their sake, it's very subtle, but they have an amazing depth to them as well as far as taste goes. So they're of amazing quality. But they offer these unique subscription boxes, and each box comes with 6 mini sake tasting bottles along with these really pretty cards that are product cards that are printed on a really nice cardstock, along with a guide for you to learn and deepen your whole sake experience. Each of the 6 bottles represents a different region of Japan, and every sip is kind of like a small hint of the climate, the water, the geography and culture, all that's very distinct to that particular area of Japan, which I really, really love. And they do offer a Tipsy Sake Club membership program where you will receive a special curated sake box every 3 months, and it's free shipping, which is a really good thing. And I believe you can get a 6% cash back with rewards points and all that stuff. But definitely check into Tipsy. I love their company name, by the way. And they are offering you 10% off of all their products, and they are the largest sake online store in the US. So I will leave your special code and all of Tipsy's links and information in the description below. So now my husband is going to use the Drunken Whale sake to make a delicious homemade teriyaki sauce to go along with fresh salmon, bok choy, and freshly steamed jasmine rice. And this particular sake is very versatile. It goes well with practically anything and has a pleasantly rich flavor when slightly warmed.